Morning.
Morning. Come on now, eat up. Good boy.
We should store the extra hay in that far section of the barn.
All right, that makes sense.
Please, everyone, eat!
This looks delicious.
Can I have some kaymak, Mama?
Here you are, Father.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
It is good to finally be done with the repairs.
Yes, we did well today.
And then he said the goat ate the laundry. The goat ate the laundry. That's the funniest thing I've heard all week.
Aga.
Yeah. Good morning, girls. Are you here for the watermelons too?
Yes, they look very fresh today.
We hope to find a sweet one.
Are you heading into town later?
Yes, I need to fix the chain on my bike.
Be careful on the road.
Here are the freshest ones, Mother.
Thank you, Saule. They look beautiful. We will make a fine jam tonight.
This spoon belonged to your grandfather. Now it is yours, my son.
Look at this one! It's absolutely massive.
What a find. That's the biggest one yet.
It's getting late. We should finish up soon.
Yes, and the well is slow today. Try this piece. It is very tender.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Here you go, Aigerim. Eat slowly.
Did you finish the chores in time to see the sunset?
We did. It feels good to finally relax a little.
And when the moon finally rose over the steppe, we knew the long journey was almost over. We had been traveling for 7 days.
You really shouldn't have told him that story right before bed. I know, but his face when the goat jumped over the roof. You are terrible.
Did you hear what happened to her sister?
Oh, yes, she told me everything yesterday.
No, that's impossible.
The morning light is beautiful today.
It is. Let's finish this section before we take a break.
Okay, push it up. Watch the edge. Steady, steady. All right, got it.
Drink up, everyone.
This warms the soul, Gulnur.
The kurt looks so good. Thank you for preparing this. This reminds me of when we were young girls doing this with our mothers.
Yes, and the cabbage always tastes better when we make it together.
It is good to be together.
Make sure you press it down firmly now.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Get all the air out.
Come here, sweetie. Look at the little calf.
Oh, Mama, it's so cute.
Like this, gently bend the reed right here.
Oh, I see how it works now.
He actually said that right in front of him. Shh, they're gonna hear us laughing.
Hold it steady. Armin, hurry and tie that knot.
I'm pulling it as tight as I can, Father.
Everything okay up there, neighbor?
Yeah, we're doing fine. Quite a storm.
This section here is completely rotted out.
We can probably salvage those few, but the rest need replacing.
Please, Kasimata, have some baursak.
Thank you, my dear. May your blessings be many.
He had to act fast before the blizzard hit. But thankfully, the warmth of the yurt saved them all. It is good to have everyone together like this.
Yes, the warmth of the hearth is unmatched.
Yeah. And the children learn from our shared stories. We give thanks for this gathering. May the heavens grant you peace and prosperity until we meet again.
She's old enough now. She should know the truth.
Not yet. Let her have her peace tonight.
Good morning. We were just coming to meet you.
Oh, it's a beautiful morning for it. We did it. It's completely full. Be careful with it now. Let's take it home.